Why is an affidavit needed for a protective order? Have you ever wondered why an affidavit is such an important part of filing for a protective order? This document plays a key role in ensuring safety for individuals facing domestic violence or threats. Let's break it down. An affidavit is a sworn, written statement that outlines the facts surrounding the need for protection. It serves as a crucial piece of evidence for the court. This document helps demonstrate that the person seeking protection has experienced or is at risk of abuse, harassment, or harm from another individual. When you file for a protective order, the court needs to understand the nature and urgency of the situation. The affidavit provides specific details about incidents of abuse or threats. It typically includes dates, descriptions of the harm experienced, and any relevant background information. This thorough account supports the request and helps the judge assess the credibility of the claim. In family law, protective orders are essential tools used to prevent domestic violence within relationships, such as those between spouses, former spouses, or family members. The affidavit is vital because protective orders often requiring immediate action. Courts may issue temporary orders quickly, sometimes without the other party present, based solely on the information provided in the affidavit. During later hearings, the affidavit continues to play a significant role. It becomes part of the evidence presented to determine if a final protective order should be granted. This means the affidavit must be clear, factual, and detailed enough to convince the court that protection is necessary. The affidavit also helps define the scope of the protective order. It can specify actions such as prohibiting contact, requiring the individual to stay away from certain locations, or addressing custody and visitation issues if children are involved. Without an affidavit, the court lacks the necessary information to justify limiting the other person's actions. In summary, an affidavit is essential when filing for a protective order. It provides a formal, sworn narrative of abuse or threats, enabling the court to make informed decisions to protect those at risk. If you or someone you know is considering this step, understanding the importance of the affidavit can make a significant difference in the outcome.